Hi guys, I hope you are doing well and safe at home. Those of you who are watching me for the first time, then hi, I'm Shraddha. Please join our family. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can notified every single time I upload my new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is in the description box. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my top 10 new favorite lipsticks which are under rupees 500. Isn't it great? These are super affordable, super cheap, but good quality. I have not compromised with the quality and the brand. I have all good brands over here. All the links will be in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. So here I have 10 beautiful nude lipsticks which are my personal favorite, like the lipsticks which I regularly use and I really love them. And guys, I have made sure that whatever your skin tone is, you're gonna get one or two lip shades in this particular video for you guys. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So here I have 4 liquid matte lipsticks. People who don't really like the matte finish or extremely matte liquid lipsticks. So I have 6 beautiful shades for you. So the first lipstick, I regularly use this one, I swear you guys. This is the Nykaa So Creme lipstick. The shade name is Let It Snooze and this is a beautiful brownie peachy nude shade. This is the hand swatch of it. It says so creme, but it's not really creamy. It's a creamy matte finish which gonna suit each and every skin. And the shade particularly, it's gonna suit each and every skin tones, like Indian skin tones particularly. If you have fair skin tone, it will look little bit darker nude shade, but a beautiful nude shade. And for dusky skin tones, it's a perfect nude shade. If you're searching for the nude brown shade which is creamy, you can check it out. So next lipstick is a really cute. This is the Color Bar Matte Touch lipstick. It has the fuller size, but that retails for I think 700 to 800 rupees. But this is really affordable. It's like a mini size of the same one, and the shade name is Bare All. Look at the shade. It's really unique shade, and let me swatch it for you. This is the swatch. It's a beautiful brownie nude shade, but it has a wine undertone. I find it really unique. I have not seen this kind of shade in any lipsticks out there. So in this price range, this kind of shade, I think this is a really amazing deal. If we talk about the texture of this, it's a creamy matte texture. It has not a so shiny thing going on. This is of course not gonna last you for 7 to 8 hours or so. Decently gonna last you for around 4 to 5 hours, and after that you have to retouch it. But the touch up is very easy for the bullet lipstick, so I don't find any problem with that. And below 300-400 you cannot ask for these kind of things. So coming to the next lipstick, I must say this is such a flattering and such a universally flattering shade. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipsticks in the shade Nude Nuance, and as the name suggests, it's a beautiful nude shade. It's a straightaway nude brown shade which gonna suit every skin tones, whether you are dusky, whether you are dark. Each and every Indian skin tones gonna look fab in this shade, and this particular shade look amazing on each and every kind of eye makeup. If you don't have any makeup, so it will equally look amazing. This particular lip range is very comfortable to wear, and the texture is very creamy, but it settles down matte. It's not obviously transfer proof, it transfers, but it stays on for around 4 to 5 hours. And the good part of this, if you eat something, it will not peel off like from particular area. It leaves a very beautiful stain on your lips, so even after 4 to 5 hours it will look amazing. So next lipstick is from the brand NYB. You can find this lipstick on the Purple website, purple.com. This is the shade number 01 Peppy Pearson. Last year it was my favorite shade. I always reach out for this every single time. This is again very beautiful nude brown shade. This is gonna suit again every skin tone. For dusky skin tones, it's a perfect nude shade. If you're searching for a beautiful nude brown shade like dusky people, you're gonna look fabulous in this shade. And this is very affordable. This comes I think under rupees 200 only. I have talked already about this lipstick in my previous videos. I'm sorry for my voice, my throat is not 100% still fine. So talking about this lipstick, highly recommend you guys this lipstick, and this particular range has many shades to choose from. If you want some darker shades, you can go for that, but this is obviously a nude collection, so I have to include this lipstick. You can definitely check this out. So the next lipstick is from the brand Darling Isabella. Again, you can find this on purple.com. This is in the shade number 14, Marvelous Merlot Royalty. I personally love mauvey brown shades, mauvey nude shades, so I have included this particular shade. This is a beautiful mauvey nude shade. Like, if you can see this, I don't know why it's looking little pinker, but in person it is a beautiful light mauve shade. It will look beautiful on medium to dusky skin tones. Even on the fair skin tone, it looks a little bit darker, but it's a beautiful nude shade for them. If you are a fan of mauve shade, you can definitely check this out. Though it is a bullet lipstick, it has a beautiful, you know, matte texture. If you can see this, there's no shine at all, and it is extremely long lasting. Like on lips, it's really looks matte and powdery kind of matte finish it has, and it lasts on the lips up to 5 to 6 hours easily if you do not eat something. And if you eat, it will like stain out, but it leaves the beautiful stain. So next lipstick is from the brand Purple itself. I think it is their Primer Plus matte range. I'm not really sure, but link will be in the description box. The shade name is Love Struck number 1, and this is what it looks like. This is straight away a very creamy lipstick, and this is a brown shade, nude brown shade. So why I've included this lipstick, because some people don't really like the matte lipsticks or the matte finish on their lips, like especially our moms. Maximum mommies doesn't like matte lipsticks. They love to wear a creamy or creamy matte lipsticks. So those of you all don't really find the matte or the creamy matte lipsticks comfortable on their lips, so you can check this range, because this is very comfortable, very creamy, smooth on your lips, and it looks beautiful and does not emphasize your lip lines, or you know, if you have any cracks or anything, it will not look bad, and at the same time it will moisturize your lips for a longer period of time. So if you do not eat something or do not talk too much, then it will stay for around 4 to 5 hours very easily. So obviously it's a very creamy lipstick, so you have to touch it up, but it's very comfortable to touch up with these kind of lipstick, and the shade is very pretty. I think our mommy is gonna love this one. So now let's move on to the matte lipsticks, my favorite formula of lipstick. I really love matte lipsticks. So the first lipstick from the matte range is the Lakme Forever Matte Lipsticks. It is in the shade 08 Nude Dreams. This is what the tube looks like. This particular range has many shades to choose from. You will find very beautiful shades from this range. Let me swatch in this hand. So this is the shade. It's a beautiful, again, nude brown shade, but it has a little bit of mauve undertones. As you can see in the tube itself, it is a kind of mauvey brown shade. It's a beautiful brown shade. It's not gonna look very beautiful on the deeper skin tones, but for fair to medium to dusky skin tone, it will look amazing. And I really find this lip shade very beautiful and very comfortable wearing. So I highly recommend you guys this range. You can check this out, as it is so affordable, and obviously it's a matte finish, so it is definitely gonna last you for around 6 to 7 hours if you do not eat something oily. Otherwise it will not gonna budge at all. Next lipstick is my favorite, you guys. So this is the Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick. It is in the shade Give Me Mocha, and it's a beautiful, again, brown beautiful shade. As the name suggests, it's a mocha brown shade, and let me swatch it for you. So this is how it looks like. It's a beautiful mocha brown shade, which will look amazing on every skin tone. Again, even on the dusky skin tone, it looks beautiful. It will be a beautiful pale nude shade for deep skin tones, but on fair to medium skin tone, it's a perfect nude shade. If you ask one shade in this whole particular range of 10 nude lipsticks, I will highly recommend you guys this shade. You will love it. You will never regret buying this one. and it's also very affordable. I think this retails for 499 rupees and you have many shades to choose from. I have 2-3 darker shades of this range and they are equally beautiful. Look at the pigmentation. It has beautiful pigmentation and I really find it very comfortable. It does not dry out your lips and the staying power is really amazing, guys. I have actually repurchased it. I love it so much. So yeah. So the last two lipsticks are from the brand Miss Claire. These are the matte power lip color. These are, I think, their new launches. If you have seen my previous Nykaa haul, you must have seen these lipsticks. And if you haven't seen, I will definitely leave the link in the description box. Please do check that out. I recently discovered this lipstick and I have been loving this lipstick, especially their formula. They are so comfortable and very smoothie kind of texture, like it glides on very smooth on your lips. The applicator is amazing and look at the packaging, guys. It's a beautiful rose gold packaging. I have two shades, number 02 and number 03. Both are the beautiful nude shades. They might look very similar, but one is straight away brown and one is on the pinkier side. Let me swatch one by one for you. First, we'll talk about number 02. It has this kind of applicator which is very unique and really helps to line your lips very easily. And the shade 02 looks like this. Look at the pigmentation. It has one stroke application. It looks very beautiful. Looks little bit darker, but it will look amazing on deep skin tones, but it looks equally amazing on medium or my type of complexion. I have medium complexion and I am wearing this 02 on my lips right now, so you can definitely check the darker shades from this range. They are equally beautiful. As for the quality of the lipstick and the packaging, you cannot ask more than that. I think this is the best range out there, so I highly recommend this one, you guys. So the last one is number 03. This is also a very pretty nude shade, like brownie nude shade, but it has a little bit of pink in it. So it's a pinky brown nude shade. So this is 02 and this is 03. Both are equally different from each other, but both are really beautiful nude shade. If you love me, you have to buy this one. So guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you like it and find the video helpful. Let me know, guys, which one is your favorite shade, and also let me know if you have any suggestions regarding the upcoming videos. If you have any requests or suggestions, you can leave them. I will love to do that for you guys. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, do take care. Bye.